Let's learn about farm animals and their roles. Welcome to our farm. Farms are home to many amazing animals that help humans in countless ways. Let's meet some of our farm friends and learn about their unique roles. First up, we have the cow. Cows are large, calm animals raised for their milk, meat, and hides. Did you know they love spending their day grazing in the pasture? We have sheep. These woolly animals give us fleece for warm clothing. They're also raised for their meat and sometimes their milk. Gentle and quiet, they love being in flocks. Meet the goose. Geese are large waterfowl known for their loud honks and protective nature. They provide eggs and meat, and some people even use them as guard animals. Horses are strong and smart animals. They help with work, transportation, and recreation. Their speed and grace have made them beloved companions for centuries. Here's a goat. These playful and curious animals are perfect for clearing brush. They're also great providers of milk, meat, and fiber. What hard workers! Pigs are highly intelligent and social animals. They're raised for meat but can also make great pets. Look at them use their snouts to find food. How clever! Last but not least, we have the hen. Hens are excellent egg layers and an essential part of any farm. They're hardworking and always busy caring for their chicks. Farms wouldn't be the same without these amazing animals. Each one has a special role, helping us in ways big and small. Next time you see a farm, remember to appreciate these wonderful creatures. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.